Morning everyone, another beautiful day outside. We're gonna do a project that I have been waiting for a while. The dumps. You see the handles are broken on that one. The handle's broken on that one. I'm over by the motorhome, Emmett. We can tell from this puddle on the ground that they're not holding water anymore, so we're gonna have to change those out. And digging through the motorhome, I did find 2 replacements. However, there is no way to get those bolts out. There's just no room. So we're lucky that our tanks are in insulated compartments. However, there's no access here, so I'm gonna go underneath. I'm gonna cut an access port so we can work on this. All right, time to go back underneath the motorhome. Let's see what we can do here. There's lots of room back here. So it's this is the insulated box. We have to cut a nice size hole to get access to here and the valves. So we have to take these straps off first. You got my helper. Say hi, Emmett.
Hi, Emmett.
Now we're gonna figure out where we need to draw lines where we're gonna cut. So this is where the straps are. So I want to be just on the other side of that, or maybe right in the middle.
On the middle.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go right in the I'm gonna go right in the middle.
Right in the middle.
So that the strap holds both pieces.
Both pieces.
Yeah. Got a nice, good access. Now we can see all the bolts. And I'm sure this is how it is on most RVs, but like I said, this one here has got like the 3-season package with the insulated tanks. So we had to cut an access port, and that is something that should have had some sort of little door or something, because these are a wearable part that needs to be changed frequently. We're good now. Now I'm forever gonna have a nice access port. So now I've got a situation where this bottom bolt, and I'm sure I'm gonna find it on these ones as well, and I'm glad I made a nice big opening, is that this bolt has sheared off inside the unit. So now I have to still get the head and half of the bolt out. I'm gonna use some vice grips. And that's just because it's been leaking and sitting in moisture. Wiggle it as I go. There we go. So let's hope that the rest goes smooth. I just wanted to show you the difference. This was the bolt in the bottom, and this is the bolt in the top. I can't believe that actually worked. We've got this in place now. Just have to put the bolts in, tighten her up, run some water through it, make sure there's no leaks, and then we have to figure out how to cover this giant hole we made. Any suggestions?